going to show you guys how to pop the bead on a tire that needs some air in it. We can't get it filled up with just the compressor alone. So I'm going to pop it with some fire, and what I use is just quick start, just starter fluid. It's very combustible, but one of the big tricks people don't do is when you're spraying this, you pull up that, push down that bead, get it in there. Make sure you get lots in there. Fuck, I got a low can here, which kind of sucks, but just make sure you get that all the way around. Alright, so make sure you got lots in there. Then give it a couple pumps to get some air in there. And fire it up. And then get some air in there. That's how you do it. Alright, so make sure you got lots in there. Then give it a couple pumps to get some air in there. And fire it up. And then get some air in there. That's how you do it.